This is a build breakdown on my 2013 Dodge Dart. So first thing you can see is the tint. It's 20% tint, only except the windshield, nothing on the windshield. Then I got these ABS's, wind covers, do good to keep the wind down. What's next? Don't mind that, it's a little scratch. The milf in the minivan hit me, messed up the door. Yeah, she was a milf. That, yeah, I don't want to talk about that. That's a long story. So, I have drill and slide, just slided rotors. Slided rotors, front and rear. All the parts I named would be in the link description down below. And my exhaust, I'm gonna go to my exhaust. It's a cherry bomb exhaust, wide inlet and outlet. You just cut off the factory one, put that in, and it come out to a dual tailpipe, just weld it on. Went to a muffler shop, they did that. The interior mod I got is my shift knob. The stock one's a ball handle. It's really cheap. It's too big for your palm. Then I got an SRT. It's a red key. Painted it myself. Oh shit, that was the trunk. Yeah, under the hood. 2.0 VVT engine. It's just a 4-cylinder, nothing major. I have a cold air intake, really not cold because it's under the engine bay. But it was cheap, it was like $40 for this, got it off eBay. I have my throttle body is ported. I ported it myself. I wasn't about to pay $100 just for something I could do for myself. So I did that, ported it. So we have the intake, the cold air, hot air intake. Then I have my throttle body. And I have a throttle body spacer under it. It's like a 1-inch spacer. Helps to breathe a little bit better. That's it for the engine bay. So we got the brakes. Make sure I covered everything. Cold air intake, throttle body spacer, throttle body, brakes all the way around. The tints, yeah, that's everything. The fastest I've been in it, you know, in Mexico, I'll say 120, nothing major, but it's good for this car. Oh, and I got an NGK spark plugs in it, set of 4. They need to be changed again. Yeah, use some sound clips. Bro, I'm so mad about that. Man. For a 4-cylinder, this thing sounds good. I don't know what it is, but I never seen a Dart sound like this. It's best sounding Dart.